last mission is to find 5 fantastic animals, solve their puzzles, and get 5 candles to create a star. We have got a magic globe. Let's go to the rock.
What animals live here?
Snizzards, a mixture of a snake and a lizard. Snizzards are longer than frogs and they can jump.
Here is my question for you. Can you guess? We have no ears. How do we hear?
I know. You use your mouth for that, like snakes do.
Well done. Here is your first candle.
Great job, Lucy. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
The lake is next. Look, a quappo.
Is it a mixture of a crocodile and a hippo?
Yes, this animal is quicker than an elephant.
Hello, guys. Tell me, please, what part of my body grows all the time?
Your teeth.
Good job. Here is your prize.
Coral reefs are our next stop. We can't breathe underwater. Let me use the magic powder.
What a nice place.
Be careful. Shells live here. They are a mixture of a shark and a whale. They are stronger than dolphins.
Welcome to my home. Do you know how we breathe underwater?
It's easy. You have got gills.
Awesome. Get your trophy.
Thank you. It's time to go to a savannah.
Oh, it's a dog lion, a mixture of a dog and a lion. Dogs don't live in savannas, Charlie. Wild African dogs, Lucy. Got it. Do you know that dog lions are smarter than cats?
Yes, we are. Can you guess what we usually do 20 hours a day?
I like doing that. You sleep a lot.
You are right. Here is a candle for you.
Where do Batuses live?
They live in a big cave on the island.
Hurry up. We should be at the magic school till night.
Batuses are a mix of a mouse and a bat, but they are bigger than rats.
I am glad to see you. We can fly because we have got wings. What else can we do like birds?
You can sing.
You are so smart. Good luck.
Moonlight candles, hear my plea. Unicorn spirit, please come to me.
You did it, Charlie, Amy, Sam and Lucy. I am here. The game is over. Get your rewards. Magic medallions.
Hooray!